Damage and Health HUD in Unreal Engine 5. Let's get started. So first thing I'm going to do is I have a first-person controller project here. So first of all, let's get started by creating a variable called health. So will be a type of float. Let's do that. Next, you will want to add an event for when you actually take damage. So let me add a begin place here, and then first of all, let's do bind event on damage. I'll take any damage. That will let me bind an event for when I take damage. So, create event, add custom event, and then damage taken. Can do that. Go over here to health, get health, just set health, and then I can take my current health, just subtract the damage, subtract and set, just like that. First of all, the default value of health should be 100. So make sure to set that. Create a branch. This will be if the health is less or equal to 0. Then I want to run a function called die. So now, in the die function for now, I'm just going to have a print string called die. So now I'm just going to run this function on show. Alright, so that's when I take damage. Well, how do I actually take damage? So the ground is going to make the player take damage. So let me quickly make the ground red so it actually feels dangerous. Next, I'm going to create a blueprint class, actor, VP lava. And now I'm going to have a box collision and make this the root component. If you can drag this out a while. So let go. We'll scale this. So basically, anytime the player is overlapping this, they'll take damage. So you just scale it to the size of the ground. I will now do this. Okay, we'll go over to tick. Some people might want to use begin overlap, and begin overlap is called once, but I want to add damage on tick if the player is overlapping. So on tick, I'm going to create a for each loop to loop all the overlapping actors of box. So get overlapping actors, select filter, let's go to BP player because that's my player blueprint, and plug that in. Now this will loop through all overlapping actors that have this class. So now I will go to, for testing purposes, I'm going to just print this, call overlap. So that's overlap. So if I'm not overlapping, overlap or so overlapping now. So yeah, that's perfect. Now I'm going to call this so apply damage. So for this, the damage is going to be 0.5 because I don't want it to be too much. So yeah, this should technically work. Now for the player, over on the damage taken, first of all, I'm going to move this a little bit. And I'm going to print the current health, just so I can see how it works. Now, I see my current health. So 7, boom, 56. Yeah, so that works. So, now that works, I want to get started by adding a health bar. So let's do that. User interface, widget blueprint, WBP. Just like that. And now I want to look at a very simple health bar. So I'm just going to add a canvas panel, make sure to set the size to custom. Then I'm just going to add a progress bar. It's going to be the health bar. And I'll make sure this is scaled up to like that. Send it to the top. Just like that. Boom. Right now, I'm just going to scale this up to 1920 to 1080, just so it just like the whole player screen. So I want the health HUD to be on top, like that. Boom. Now, if I go over to begin play, I should be able to add a create widget, health HUD, Then I'm just going to use the add to viewport code. So now just like that, we should technically see a HUD widget over here. Right, so we see the HUD widget, but now we want to actually make it display our current HUD, the health. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to promote this to variable. So we have the health bar of that. And now I'm going to go to health HUD, go to check the is variable on the health bar. And then I'm going to create a function on the user widget. This will be called update health bar. And for this, I'm going to add an input. This will be called near health. This will be called float, type of float. And then I will just get health bar, set %. So the thing is that progress bars work in a %, so it's from 0 to 1. So for it to work the way we want it to work is we need to, so since our health is from 0 to 100, we need to divide by 100. So divide by 100. So we take our health, which is 0 to 100, then we divide that by 100. That will actually put it into the range of 0 to 1. So this should. Now, on the player, I can simply get the health bar, update health bar, plug the new health in. Just plug this in. Now, insert it, slow them down. And just make sure that we don't die. So, yeah. I'm just going to make sure to change the health bar colors just a little. So make sure that this is the background image. So I'm going to make this red. So now, just like that, boom, will look more like the health bar. So yeah, that's a pretty simple demonstration of how to have a damage on damage taken, have a health bar, and all that. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Stay tuned for more awesome videos like this, and make sure to hit that subscribe button. See ya.